the President of the Republic.
On the spot.
Between 15% to 18%. We are proud to have the first president ever of the country to bring this event. It's been going on for BPO event in Asia.
Sense na yung mindset ko nasa tourism. I just came from Bohol. But first, yung significant contribution of the whole industry is significant. Yung from the government said, if you look at the department, there are 50 to 60,000 jobs I am told by Secretary Dotos that are not filled up. And I'm sure a significant portion comes also from the sector. So you can expect from government, cooperation of CHED, and even DepEd, from the basic sector. We're giving all our education towards training the people for the jobs available when they do graduate, instead of chasing after jobs that are currently in and are no longer existent by the time they graduate. We're looking also to finish the investment, sorry for the technical term, but there's an incentive program also for investment priority plan. Is the phrase I was looking for. And of course, that addresses also the concerns of your industry in particular. And you can actually see us helping also growing it outside of the metro area. For instance, I'm kind of really keen about the Ilocos region. That's where the gateways are. And it's still really just a basic stage. I'm glad they're already pushed out sa Secretary later. So I don't agree with you. We're service-oriented. We'll see bright prospects for it in the growing of the efficiencies of various firms to handle matters that we outsource such as this. We tend to really make sure that the market advantage that we do offer them will not only be maintained but also be enhanced. I'm glad also that the private sector, in their quest to really get our talent, has been fielding so many scholarships in various engineering schools amongst others to really help us accelerate the program. And together with your efforts, obviously we get to just one neck to stand on. I'm really glad also that at least the shipbuilding industry is already the fourth largest in the world. I'm really rather keen on the agricultural sector also. Food security has to be a primary focus. Bottom line, I'd like to give you the impression that we are concentrating on a lot of different facets that we think will really grant our people the maximum opportunities. Because at the end of the day, they do promise that job generation is the first priority of this industry. Congratulations, I really hope you meet all of the targets, the doubling in 5 years. Okay, do it in 3 years, I'll thank you even more. But we are here your servants. Tell us how we can ease the process that much more to help you achieve the targets that I think all of us would want to achieve sooner rather than later. Thank you.